So, good morning, everybody. Now, this is gonna be a short vlog about Indore. Indore, one of the biggest and most loved city in the state of MP. So, I arrived here after a very long time, say after like 4 years of my graduation. Like I pursued my graduation from here only. I completed it in 2020, and now we are in 2024. It's been quite some time since I haven't been here. Though I made some trips in between, but not the big ones, not the frequent ones. And then I went to Delhi. I stayed for quite some time there, and the one thing that I like most about Delhi is, of course, its transport system. And it's not only me. If you ask anybody, like what is the one thing that attracts you the most about Delhi, then he or she would certainly tell you it is the metro system. It is the metro transport system, which is super efficient, super cheap and economical, super convenient, and is of course world class. And drawing on the same lines and drawing a comparison on the same line of the transport system, the public transport system, the intra-city transport system, what we have in Indore is not the well-developed transport, not the well-developed metro system, which is under progress, under construction. What we have got iBus, and iBus is an amazing concept. It's one of its unique kind of transport system, public transport system within a city, connecting several locations in a city. And the beauty of this system is that an entire stretch of land between the road, in the middle of the road, is dedicated to just iBus, and you would find the bus stations where you can get the ticket from at a distance of say 500 to 600 meters, which is super convenient for the daily commuters or the travelers. Since the land is dedicated purely and only to the iBus, there is no traffic, no congestion, so it ensures that you reach to your office or to your destination on time. Another thing is that if you are a daily commuter, you can get a pass of it, and it is again, it again becomes extra economical. Now, next most important and fascinating aspect is the build quality of the iBus. And nowadays, like iBus are like, we can find the electric vehicles there. But apart from that, one thing that attracts me most about the AC system, it's fully air conditioned, and the seats are really good, and seats are dedicated for the women as well, considering the social or the gender inclusivity. And this is something nice. You can see that since it is early in the morning, so 5 a.m. it's not running. Otherwise it would start running say at 6 a.m. or 6:30. I don't remember exactly, but I just wanted to tell you that this system can be emulated. If you have ever traveled in this, and share your experience. What was your experience? Can this be emulated? Should this be emulated or implemented in the other cities? And if it is, then how feasible it's going to be? Because in Indore, I find it super feasible. What you need is just broad road and political will, good mindset, good governance to deliver the public services, and that is what we have seen in Indore, which is really appreciable. With this, Garvit Jain signing off.